Hello everyone, welcome to Theta Neural. Get ready to unlock your inner genius and explore the science of becoming wiser. New videos every week, so hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that delves into the depths of our own minds. It's a technique used by Nobel Prize winners, celebrated thinkers, and even everyday people looking to learn and understand better. It's called the Feynman Technique, named after the Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman. Here's a breakdown of the 4 steps involved. 1. Choose a concept to learn. Start by selecting a concept you want to gain a deeper understanding of. This could be something you're currently studying, a skill you're trying to develop, or even a general topic you're curious about. 2. Explain it to someone else. Imagine you're teaching this concept to someone with no background knowledge. Like a child, this forces you to break down the information into its fundamental parts and use clear, concise language. As you explain, pay attention to any areas where you struggle or hesitate. These are likely indicators of gaps in your understanding. 3. Simplify and refine your explanation. If your explanation stumbles, don't be afraid to go back to your learning materials to fill in any knowledge gaps. As you revise your explanation, strive for simplicity and clarity. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that your audience wouldn't understand. You can also use analogies and metaphors to help illustrate complex concepts. 4. Test your understanding. Once you feel confident in your explanation, try teaching the concept to someone else, like a friend, family member, or study buddy. Their questions and reactions can further reveal areas where your understanding may be incomplete. While the core 4-step process of the Feynman technique is effective, you can incorporate some interesting alterations to cater to various learning styles and situations. Here's a breakdown of the 4 steps involved with possible interesting modifications. 1. Tailor your explanation with audience variation. For beginners, use simpler language and focus on core concepts. For peers, dive deeper and encourage discussion. For yourself, write an explanation like a blog post to organize your thoughts. 2. Boost understanding with creativity. Use metaphors and analogies to create mental pictures. Use diagrams and visuals to enhance recall. Practice by teaching an imaginary audience. 3. Learn collaboratively. Form a Feynman study group to explain concepts to each other. Find a Feynman mentor who isn't an expert and get feedback on your explanation. 4. Test and refine using technology. Record your explanation, video or audio, to review and improve. Use online platforms and forums to explain to others and receive broader feedback.
Throughout his career, Feynman received numerous awards and recognitions, including the prestigious National Medal of Science in 1979. Despite his incredible achievements, it's hard to believe that Feynman didn't speak a word until he was 3 years old. Feynman was not only a genius, but also a prankster with a purpose. While working on the Manhattan Project, he famously cracked a safe not out of malice, but to expose security flaws that could compromise the project.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.